What's going on, traders? So in today's video, it is about our FX Goliath bot, which trades euro dollar and pound dollar. And this bot has been working phenomenally well. The risk management built into this bot is absolutely crazy. We stopped introducing it to the community because of how complex the bot is to customize for each person. We are now introducing it back to the general public. It takes about 2 to 4 trades during New York, London, and Asian session. And we are so confident in this bot that I'm using this bot on my live broker account. And it is prop firm friendly. The max drawdown that you guys will actually have is only 1% on this bot. So if I go to this account right now, you guys can see that I have over $600,000 of live trading capital with XBTFX. I'm using our gold bot on one of the accounts on the $250,000 to $1,000 account. You guys can see this is a real USD account. And that's how confident we are using our own product. So right now, I'm going to share with you some of the trading results right now. You guys can see the history. This trades pound dollar and euro dollar. Right now, you guys can see that the profits are $17,000 in profit in just 1 month from running this bot on my live account. So let me just pull up my MT5 right now. It is exactly the same, $17,650. And right now, because this is a live brokerage account, Parabolic Trading Institute, because this is a live brokerage account, I did decrease my lot sizes to 5 lots. The preciseness of this, so this one was the one that hit a stop loss right there, $340. And then we had another losing trade right there. But all in all, you guys can see throughout the past 2 weeks, it has just been so precise. Stop loss, you guys can adjust the lot sizes so that you guys can risk 0.5% or 1%. That is completely up to you. It is prop firm friendly for that reason. The other loss was right there on the fourth, minus $200. And then here we had a huge win of $935. If you guys are trading Forex and you guys are looking for something sustainable with the correct risk settings and risk management to manage your prop firm accounts or your live brokerage accounts, bot is definitely one for you. And what's so great about this bot is that since every single broker and every single prop firm has Forex pairs of pound dollar and euro dollar, this bot is compatible with every single broker and every single prop firm. Some prop firms may not have indices, but every single prop firm and every broker does have these two major Forex pairs. All right. So if you guys are also interested in this bot and automating all of your trades, you guys will also be added to our VIP community. We make updates to every single bot and constantly make updates and keep the community members all updated. Members were able to secure multiple payouts this week. Here was one from Alpha Capital for another 5 figures, $13,000 in profit. So congratulations. So if you guys are having trouble trading on your own, then join us. Everyone gives each other different strategies on how to maximize their profits and become a successful trader. So if you guys are interested, hit the link in the description, reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your trading journey.